What's up my SEO friends? In this video I'll show you how to install and use the advanced GSC visualizer Chrome extension. Let's jump right in. Let's see how we can install this extension. First open the Google Search Console and go to search results under performance. Click on it. Once we'll install this extension, we'll see a new advanced visualization button here which we can't see now. To install the extension, click on these three dots, go to extensions and click on View Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, type Advanced GSC Visualizer. Click here, click on it, click Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension. So it has been installed. Close it. Right now you can't see the extension icon here. So click on the icon that says Extensions and click on the pin button in front of Advanced GSC Visualizer. Now you can see the extension icon here. Click on the extension icon and make sure it's turned on. Now let's go back to Google Search Console. Still we can't see the button here, so refresh the Google Search Console. Now we can see a new button here. So it has been installed. Let's see how we can use it. Right now we are on this tab, Queries. Once I click this button, it will take me to this tab, Dates, and a new chart will appear before this section. Let's click it. So you can see we are in Dates and this is the new section here. Let's turn this off. So we have four metrics here: clicks, impressions, CTR and position. We can click on the metric that we want to see. Let's say I want to see the clicks data. So click on clicks. So I have clicks on y-axis and dates on x-axis. Now I can see how many clicks this website got each day. Like you can see, this website got 106 clicks on January 13 and similarly it got 113 clicks on January 29. Currently you can see that we can see the data from January 8 to April 6. I can change the dates from here. Click on More. From here I can select last 6 months, last 12 months, last 16 months, or I can select a custom date from here. Let's say I want to check the data for the last 6 months. So I'll click on it and click on Apply. Now I have to refresh this page. Like you can see here, refresh the page. So let's refresh the page. And now click on Advanced Visualization. So now I have last 6 months data here from October to April 6. And here's the click data. Let's turn off the impressions. So this is the clicks data for the last 6 months. I can see the daily data and I can change the time period from here. I can select weekly to see the weekly data. And I can also select monthly to see the monthly data of clicks. Similarly, you can click on impressions. So let's click it. Click on impressions to see the impressions data for the last 6 months. And again, you can change the time period from here. You can select daily or you can select weekly. Similarly, you can view CTR and positions data. And again, you can change the time period from here. You can also see multiple metrics at a time. Let's say I want to see clicks and impressions at a time. So I can click both. So this is the clicks data and this is the impressions data. And you can also click on CTR and position to see all the four metrics at a time. And here you can see the color codes for different metrics. Then we have more options here. Click on More. You can select the chart type from here. We have line, which is the current one. You can click on bar to see the bar chart, or you can click on area to see the area chart. Let's keep one for the time being. Then you can also draw a trend line from here. Click on trend line. So it has drawn a trend line for you. For different time periods, we have different trend lines. For example, for daily, we have 7-day moving average and 14-day moving average. Let's click on it. You can see here. And for weekly time period, we have 4-week moving average, 8-week moving average, and for monthly, we have 3-month moving average. You can also change the chart opacity from here. You can decrease it and you can also increase it. You can also click on Google Updates to see if any algorithm update affected your rankings. So we can see for this data, this website got hit by March and December update and was stable during November update. Let's turn this off. You can download the data from here. Let's open it. So you can see it's monthly click data because I have monthly here and only metric selected was clicks. If you select the different time period and select different metrics, then by clicking here, you can download the data for all these matrices. Then we have annotations here. You can draw horizontal line, vertical line on the chart wherever you want. Let's draw vertical line. Let's draw it here. Again, if I want to draw a vertical line here, I can draw like this, and I can undo it by this button, redo it from this button. I can also draw horizontal lines. Let's draw a line here and also draw a line here. You can also select the lines and click on delete to delete the lines. Let's delete these. And similarly, you can also draw a rectangle anywhere you want. Select this and draw the rectangle. Let's draw it here as well. So like this, you can draw rectangles at different sections of the graph. Let's undo. And you can also add notes like this. Click on it, and let's say I want to add a note here. I can click here and then write whatever you want. Let's say I write analyze, and I can change the text size and text color from here. Let's keep it as it is. Analyze, press enter. So here you can see it. Let's add one more. Click, and let's say I want to add notes here and press enter. So you can see here. You can also export and import annotations from these two buttons. And lastly, we have compare option here. We can compare the data for current time period to the previous time period. Right now I have selected 6 months here. So click on compare. And now I can see a comparison with the last 6 months here. This color is for previous period and this color is for current period. So you can see in this case, there is a drop in the traffic as compared to previous 6 months. You can change the dates from here to see the comparison for different time periods. Click cancel. So this is how you can install and use this extension. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.